Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. So, do you want to send your quiz takers straight to a booking page, a product checkout, or a custom landing page? I'll show you how to use URL redirects to create a seamless journey from lead to customer. First, open your quiz builder and scroll down to the screen results page. Just drag the URL redirect rather than the normal result builder. Give it a clear title and simply enter a URL that you want to redirect to. Once done, simply save it. This could be a calendar link, a Shopify checkout, or a personalized thank you page. You can create different redirects for different scores as well. For example, if someone scores as a beginner, redirect them to an introductory course. If they score as an expert, send them straight to a high-level consulting page. Custom redirect turns curiosity into conversation. If you still have any questions, just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with Lead Quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.